Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill and these are your 3 add-on kits for December. The add-on kits go with your flavors of the month. So we have the cardstock, we have patterned paper, and we have an embellishment add-on. You can add 1, 2, or 3. This is an awesome way to have your kit get even beefier and last longer and just have more options. And if you want even more pattern paper and embellishments, check out the Shots of Life kit because it does coordinate with your flavors of the month. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these, starting with the cardstock. The cardstock add-on includes 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So you can see how well they match and just what a beautiful color scheme. I just get excited seeing all the different colors when I do this. So starting with the Cartabella Merry Christmas collection, you're going to get 1 sheet of Sky cardstock and 2 sheets of Amber cardstock. To coordinate with your Christmas Magic, you'll receive 1 sheet of bubblegum and 2 sheets of seafoam. To coordinate with your Winter Wonderland from Heidi Swap is 1 sheet of Rouge and 2 sheets of Nixon cardstock. And then Kringle and Company, 1 sheet of stone and 2 of maraschino cardstock. So those are great if you want cardstock backgrounds, mat your photos, do some die cutting. Lots of options with your cardstock. Next up is our patterned paper. So for the patterned paper add-on, you'll receive 2 additional patterned papers for each one of the 4 collections. So none of these will be repeats what's in your flavors of the month. It's 2 additional patterned papers. Starting with Cartabella and Merry Christmas, we have this cute Santa paper. He's on a bicycle delivering gifts. Standing, you can just hear him saying ho ho ho. The back is a snowflake on that navy blue. This one's called Jolly Santa Claus. Then this one, that's a cut apart and it has some fun little shapes. So they're not just your traditional 3x4. We have some square and small square and then these long skinny ones. So these are a lot of fun to tuck in and make clusters with. The back is a white polka dot, looks like snow falling on the red. This one's called Christmas Squares. From Doodlebug, Christmas Magic, we have this one that would be perfect for an advent calendar to create with your kids. So we have 1 through 25. You could cut those apart. It would also be great if you're doing a December album. You could use these for each one of your pages. The back is a star print on yellow. This one is called Christmas Magic. Then we have the polka dots, the really large polka dots on the white. And the back is the Christmas trees on the green. This one is so cute. This one's called Jolly Holiday. And then from Heidi Swap Winter Wonderland, we have this gorgeous paper here. This one's called Woodland. It has the pine cones and the ferns and then the red berries. The back is a gorgeous wood grain. It's going to be hard to decide which side to use of that. Then we have a green ledger paper. I love some ledger paper. The back is Merry Christmas in script diagonally on a red canvas, and this one's called Merry Christmas. Then from Kringle and Company, from Photoplay Paper, we have the 4x6 cut apart. This one's called Oh Christmas Tree, and the back is rows of Christmas tree on the red. And then we have Sparkle and Shine, which is the red and black buffalo check, and the back is the light bulbs on the strings, and they're going both directions. This one's called Sparkle and Shine. So one more look at your patterned paper. So definitely grab that to go with your flavors of the month to have it go even further. Then for your embellishment add-on kit, we have more embellishments. So this one is from Photoplay Paper, Kringle and Company. It's the 12x12 sticker sheet. So we have this border strip that has December with 1 through 25. We have the row of Christmas trees, some banners, those cute little gnomes again, and some gifts. So there's really a lot of icons in here that you could put together to create scenes on your layout. It's just super cute, and lots of little words for titles. For Heidi Swap's Winter Wonderland, you're going to get the full package of layered stickers. So these are already pop dotted up. Super cute. And the little animals have the little jingle bells. For Carta Bella, Merry Christmas, you're going to get half a pack of the enamel dots. And then Doodlebugs, you're going to get the little Doodle Pops cardstock stickers. So these are more that are pop dotted up. So there's actually 3 layers of trees. The star is in a little enamel shape. And then we have this star that's pop dotted up and some flat ones and presents. So that's super cute. That'll be extra fun to create little scenes with that as well. So that's your embellishment add-on. One more look at your 3 add-on kits available for December to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Be sure to check out all the other kits available. If 4's too many, we have the double shot kit, which is 2 collections, so you can try that. We also have some awesome home decor wood kits available in the store, so be sure to check those out and include those with your monthly kits. Come on over and join us on the Facebook group and join in on the challenges for some fun prizes and see what the design team's creating with their kits as well as the fellow subscribers. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.